Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story post and error easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, on your any Android phone like this, and then all what you have to do is scroll down and go to the apps manager, and then all what you have to do is go to apps right here again, and then all what you have to do is wait a few seconds on this page and scroll down. Now all what you have to do is go to the Instagram. After that, all what you have to do is simple. Wait a few seconds, click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache. Go back. Now all what you have to do is click on this data user, and now scroll down. Make sure to enable the background data and the roaming data like this, and go back. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click on force stop and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram. The problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.